music requests that they come through on your Feel Good Breakfast show. This is Expressa, and thanks for joining us on this Friday morning. Now, speaking of Friday, we're getting you ready for the weekend. Sean Marco from Naweek is here with me, and he's an expert at this. Want hulle show gaan elke naweek uit op 'n Saterdag 7 uur op SABC3. Jy moet kyk, dis genaamd Naweek, en hulle beplan letterlik die naweek vir ons. Sean Marco, welkom terug.
Baie dankie.
Ek moet sommer met hier inval, jong. Wat gebeur hierdie naweek en waarna sien jy uit?
Wel, as ek in Kaapstad gebeur daar die French Sunset Pop-up Picnic wat apparently baie great gaan wees.
En die weer gaan lekker wees.
Die weer is lekker,
Ja.
presies. Wat die venue interessant maak is jy weet nie waar die venue is nie. Hulle stuur vir jou môreoggend 9 uur stuur hulle vir jou die details en dan pak jy deur en jy doen jou ding. Jy moet obviously in rooi, blou en wit aantrek. Dis 'n hele French theme ding aan die gang. Jy kan jou kaartjies kry by CompuTicket en CompuTicket outlets met R250 'n veldkaartjie en R350 vir 'n tafelkaartjie.
Julle werk is seker heeltemal interessant want die show se naam is Naweek, maar julle doen nie net goed in Kaapstad waarvanaf jy is nie. Julle doen ook goed in die res. So wat gebeur in Joburg en in Durban en die res? En weet Joburg het reën hierdie naweek. So
Okay, wel Joburg as ek kyk ek hou van goeie kos, wyn, short films, 'n klein
Jy al 18?
klein bietjie kind. So ek sou definitief daar's Curiosity Carnival wat in die Inner City Backpackers gebeur. This also marks their first birthday. Music from The Brother Moves On and 8 Bar Short. It's set to be a real good vibe. Yeah.
What a party. I hear that in Durban there's a motor show happening this weekend.
There is a motor
Tell me
show
more.
happening. Well, if I was in Durban, I'd definitely be there from today up until Sunday. They're focusing on old school beauties versus high school tech. So to all the car lovers and all of that, it should be a great vibe.
It's obviously a highlight for most of us that can't get out over the weekend. I mean, Saturday, for instance, I'll be at home. What else can we look forward to on the show that starts at 7 p.m?
Well, Polani goes to Kleinmond. Full year visits top billing espresso Simba, top billing presenter Simba. And well, Marlo visits Takes Jay, the singer, on a helicopter ride in Joburg. And
Marlo's cute, eh? He was on the show in the week as well. I saw him last night as well. Very sweet. Okay, what else is happening?
Well, and myself, I go on a little treasure hunt in the East London, in between museums. So that's
Soos 'n regte skatterjag.
net so.
Maar waarvoor soek jy?
Wel, die ding is ek kan nie veel regtig sê nie, maar ek soek vir 'n klomp clues wat my lei na 'n groter prentjie toe. So julle gaan moet intune.
Dit is crazy. Well, hey, simply SMS Naweek to 33728. You can make sure that you click on that link to be part of the Naweek community. So we call it our Naweek community, but it's Naweek and Expressa to 33728. So that's what you SMS. Now, you're also going to a draw with our incredible Naweek prize. It's worth R500,000. We've been talking about the show, or about it on the show. It includes 100,000 rands worth of BP fuel, 200,000 Avios. We're talking here about 20 return flights that you could do with that, and a whole lot more. You can also visit the Naweek website, also the Facebook page, and find out more details, and also keep in the loop with the presenters like Sean Marco that's visiting here this morning. Listen, good luck for the weekend. It sounds like it's going to be a busy one for you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
No, only a pleasure. Well, speaking of the weekend, there's a lot more happening on our Feel Good Breakfast show, but also the weekend in Cape Town. The most grueling race ever. I'm talking here about yachts that are taking part in the Volvo Ocean Race, and they're arriving in Cape Town already to complete the first leg of this race, a 9-month race around the world. While our cameras were there to catch up with all the action at the V&A waterfront.